Filial generation. Filial generation, it refers to the generation of offsprings. Generation of offsprings. So there will be some graphs that will be having the first filial generation and the second filial generation. So it will be shown like F1 generation and F2 generation. So F1 generation, it means first generation. So these are the offspring that are made from a genetic cross that occurred between the first parents. Offsprings that are made or offspring that are born. That are born. These offsprings are made from a genetic cross that has occurred between the first parents. F2 generation, the second filial generation. Offsprings made from a genetic cross that occurred between the parents from the second row or the second set. These parents from the second set or the second row, these parents come from the first filial generation. F2 generation, second filial generation, offsprings made from a genetic cross that occurred between the parents from the second row or second set. You will see when we will be doing some questions how this thing is or how it is presented in the form of questions.